I picked up the Hamilton Beach glass electric tea kettle a while back. I was looking for a well-reviewed, name-branded kettle whose walls were glass so I can easily see when the water is boiling. And this product at roughly $20 fit that bill. Out of the box, you get the instruction manual, the warranty contact information, the kettle itself, as well as its inductive charging pad. Originally, I actually got one with a little bit of a rust spot, so I reached out to their customer service and they got back to me really quickly with a replacement, so that's a plus on my book. It's a 1 liter capacity kettle, and it also has a little strainer built into the spout to prevent any mineral scale in the water from being poured out. Using it is super simple. You just need to plug in the base and then settle the kettle on the base. And then there are 2 buttons you press simultaneously on the top to open up the lid. Once it's at the 90-degree angle, there is a stopping position so you can leave it as is and pour in your water. Close the lid, and then all you have to do is press this little lever to start the boiling. Some lights on the bottom turn on to indicate that it is working. And then depending on how much liquid you poured in, it can take up to a few minutes or even less. With this electric kettle, there is the peace of mind that it will automatically shut off once it reaches the boiling point. Just make sure that the lid is fully closed. I did make a mistake one time where it wasn't fully closed and it just kept on boiling. But as long as the lid is fully closed, it does have that automatic boil protection to turn off automatically. This is so much faster than what I was doing before, which was boiling water on the stove, which I would also have to monitor, so it's less safe than this, and it's even faster than boiling in a microwave. Once the water is boiled, I like to pour it for my oatmeal or some tea. Very easy to pour. And sometimes when I'm just needing it for oatmeal, then I can even boil very little amounts of water and it still works. The only small gripes I have with this particular model compared to other electric kettles I've tried is the latch mechanism for the lid. I would much prefer it to be a button on the handle so my hand doesn't have to get close to the hot portion of the glass kettle, which you don't really want to open the lid anyways when it's hot, but still it would have been nice for it to have a simple button on the handle versus potentially having to reach over a hot kettle. But otherwise, I love the glass design. I can easily tell when there's maybe some scale buildup and I have to clean it. And the cable is able to wrap around the base so that it's easy for travel. So really happy with my purchase. It's so fast and it's safe with that boil protection. You don't have to worry about monitoring it. And best of all, it doesn't break the bank and they have a good customer service standing behind it. As usual, I'll have the link in the description if you guys are interested. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.